Kickstarting our list at number 5 is the 1969 Plymouth GTX. Known back then as the gentleman's muscle car, the GTX refused to sacrifice luxury for raw speed. While it packed premium wood grain interior and extra sound deadening, underneath that hood sat the legendary 426 Elephant Hemi, pumping out 425 underrated horsepower. This luxury cruiser could effortlessly shred its rear tires and blast through the quarter mile in a staggering 13.50 seconds at 105 miles per hour. Coming in at number 4 is a true NASCAR homologation special, the 1969 Dodge Charger 500. Before the wing car Daytona arrived, Dodge built this aerodynamic weapon to dominate the superspeedways. By modifying the standard Charger's grille and flushing out the rear glass, they cut drag significantly. But on the drag strip, it was all about brute force. Mated to a 426 Hemi engine, the Charger 500 hooked up and cleared the quarter mile in just 13.48 seconds at 109 miles per hour. Taking the number 3 spot is one of the most legendary Mustangs ever built, the 1969 Boss 429. Ford built this monster for one reason: to get their massive new semi-Hemi racing engine into NASCAR. The engine was so incredibly wide that Ford actually had to ship standard Mustangs to a specialty shop called CarCraft just to cut and modify the suspension to make it fit. With an iconic, massive hood scoop feeding the beast, the Boss 429 could storm down the track in a blistering 13.34 seconds at 107 miles per hour. Screeching into the number 2 spot is the ultimate budget street brawler, the 1969 Plymouth Road Runner, equipped with the legendary A12 package. This car was built straight from the factory for pure drag strip violence. It featured a lightweight lift-off fiberglass hood held down by 4 pins and a 440 6-pack V8 breathing through 3 2-barrel carburetors. It was lighter and easier to tune than a Hemi, launching this cartoon-horned cruiser down the quarter mile in a shocking 13.32 seconds at 107.6 miles per hour. And finally, the undisputed king of 1969 is the mythical Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. This wasn't a car you could just buy off the showroom floor. It had to be ordered secretly through Chevy's central office production order system. At its heart was an all-aluminum 427 big block designed for Can-Am racing. It weighed less than a standard small block, but put out a realistic 500-plus horsepower. With only 69 ever made, the ZL1 claimed the throne by obliterating the quarter mile in a mind-numbing 13.16 seconds at 110 miles per hour.